Hi everyone, I'm Denise and welcome back to my dressing room. Almost lost my train of thought right at the beginning. Today I have a beautiful bag to share from you from the pre-love market. Since I've been gone, besides work, I was also traveling. I went to a ski resort in Vernon. I went to Mazatlan a couple times, and I just got back from Osoyoos, BC, did a wine tour and celebrated my husband's birthday. So I did do a lot of traveling in between work, so that was kind of fun. Anyways, back to the pre-love market. The prices are so good right now, and I think it's, in my opinion, it's back to where it should be. So that means that there's some really good deals. And you know, because I love pink and I also love Louis Vuitton, I got this canvas leather tote. And it is a limited edition from 2008. And I mean, I'm going to say pristine condition. Like whoever had this bag did not use it. Comes with the clochette, Louis Vuitton on there, and it comes with the key. Now the interesting thing about this key is it says the same wording that's on the front here. So listen to me as I butcher it. Louis Vuitton Article de Voyage Mal Socks. And that's exactly what it says on this little lock. I didn't expect that when I'd seen the lock. It's so beautiful. And of course, you know, different, right? So I'm just going to keep it on the side here, and we will clip that in. There we go. And then that's how it looks. And it is all calfskin leather. So the rolled handles, all the trim around here, and then the trim should face you, right, instead of me. And then the trim along the bottoms and sides. And then also it comes with this back pocket and with the cute little ribbon detail, again with the wording. And from what I understand, this was the writing on here is the first 6 stores that Louis Vuitton had. So you can read them all because I am not going to pronounce them. What else can I say about this bag? The inside, the zipper works really good. You just kind of need 2 hands, right? So it works really good. See the condition of that? Like it's gorgeous. And I love all this shiny gold hardware. You can see right there. Just the little details, and then on the other side where the strap connects, and the strap is not removable or adjustable, so that's fine with me. And then when you open it up, it actually came with the dust bag, so I'm really happy about that. And the inside is a jacquard lining with the logo, and then also with the tag there that has again the same name of this this bag. It's just gorgeous, and it doesn't it's a perfect bag. I think it's a perfect bag for summer. So, and I do like this back pocket because I could fit my phone in there. And the measurements are roughly about 9 inches across, 10 inches high, and about 3 3/4 inches for the depth. And here is the bag on me. I'm 5'3.5", and it is definitely a nice length for me, and it is so comfortable on my shoulder. Perfect for summer. For all the crossbody gals out there. Okay, my hair. this is how it would look. As you can see, it comes up too high for me, so I prefer to wear it on my shoulder like that. Item that I got from Louis Vuitton from the pre-love market just arrived today as I was filming this video, so I haven't seen it, so let's open it together. I really like how they did the wrapping on it with the little ribbon and the card. That was actually really nice. I wasn't expecting that. You know, sometimes in the pre-love market you get that, sometimes you don't. And oh, I guess this is all the information for what I got, which is really kind of nice. So let's open it here. Can you guys guess what it is? All my Louis Vuitton lovers will know. Oh, and I got more things in the back there. So that's good. I got the, oh my goodness, the pink capucine. Okay, hang on. The pink capucine charm, bag charm. I've been wanting this actually for so long, but didn't want to pay the price. And now that everything has come down, so it's been really good. And let's see how this looks on my little Speedy. I mean, I know they're not the same metals, but whatever. My Damier Azur Speedy 25, and that's how it looks there. But I do have a bag in mind for this bag charm, so that has yet to come. So thank you guys so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in my next video. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.